there is a very archaic element to it with the damsel in distress and the knight and superhero trope. And probably the other side of it is the untouchable princess and the peasant. So it's not necessarily that the female is always on a pedestal or always someone who needs saving. It's one or the other based on how the male is trying to portray themselves. So the male gaze and the standard rom-com trope would be that a girlfriend is just there, or like a love interest is just there for the sake of it. She's just pretty, she's the girl next door, she's the manic pixie, she's the one who doesn't really have a personality other than to elicit something from the male character. Or the other side is the geeky guy or the shy guy who's, dating up and tries to seduce a girl who's way out of his league. That's kind of the two tropes that exist.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah.
And it's not just about how you shoot females and the clothing that you put on them, the shorter the better and low camera angles, but it's also that the personality, the written character of a female is not necessarily as fleshed out. They always exist in comparison to a male character based on what that male character wants or needs.